welcome to this crash course on how to use X for your crypto interaction. Alright, so the first thing you need to do, as always, is go under or go to your Play Store and download Twitter or look for X, anyone that works for you. Look for it, and you have it installed. After you have it installed, next step is open it up, right? So this is Twitter. If you're not used to using Twitter, this is Twitter. So in your Twitter, you click on to locate your profile. Okay, you create an account. Should I create an account? No. You should create an account using your email. By the time you are done doing that, what you should do is you go under your profile, right? You go under your profile, click on it, then go under settings. Okay, under settings and privacy, under your account, under account information, then you make sure that you set a username that you can remember. Very, very important. The reason why you're doing this is because several crypto interactions you do, they'll ask for your X username. It is unique to you, so make sure you set it something you can remember. So by the time you're done setting it up, then what you need to understand is that this is your home page. Okay, this is your excuse me this is your home page, right? This is your home page. This is where you search for stuff. This is where you see your notification, you get direct messaging, and then I can't see the other one because of this brush stuff, right? So but most importantly, if you want to be interacting with crypto projects, the first thing you should note is that when you are signing up your Twitter account, make sure that the interest, what you put as what you are interested in, is you're interested in DeFi, you're interested in crypto, you're interested in maybe Ethereum. All right. So that will tell X algorithm that what you are after is to be getting posts related to crypto. Okay. So with that one said, what you need to do is also any crypto interaction you are doing, make sure you follow the Twitter handle of that project. So for instance, I'm on Bubble, so I'll use the search button to look for Bubble. Alright? Or yeah, I'll use the search button to look for Bubble. So the handle for Bubble is at imaginary ones. Imaginary ones. Okay, so you see this is at imaginary ones. Alright, so I'm going to click on that. Click on it, it opens up, and then you follow them. Then you can always turn on the notification for their post, especially if the project is important to you. Turn on the notification, please turn it on, so that when they say something you can see it and not be waiting for your friends to give you update. Right now, another um project I'm interested in is Every is supposed to give us an airdrop starting from today, right? So you click on Every, and then you check for their latest post. Their latest post was 16 hours ago. And one of what they said is that the airdrop um is supposed to the announcement for the airdrop is going to come soon. All right, this is it. It's going to come. It's supposed to come soon, right? So keep an eye out for it, right? Now, so we're saying that any crypto interaction you are doing, you should know their X handle and follow them. All right, you should follow them on X because their updates comes on either X, Discord, or Telegram. All right, these three major channels. This is where they put updates on. Now, by the time you follow them, then one of the things you should note is that they always put a link tree address to their websites or to their social media handles so that you don't fall prey to scam. Okay, so that you don't fall prey to scam. So I'm going to open it in Mrs. Browser so that you don't fall prey to scam, because you as a newbie you may be tricked into submitting your wallet that you're supposed to collect airdrop on. You may be tricked into submitting it on a fake X account. Okay, so but with their link tree and with following the official handle, you can always get updates and always click on the correct site. Okay. Now, with that said, you go back to your X, right? You go back to your X, and then what do you need to do again? If Okay, you go back to your X and then you just interact with their post. You interact with their post, that project and other projects like that. Then also, if you want to be getting alphas, what we refer to as alpha is update or information. This guy is very good, so I'm going to bookmark him, bookmark his post. Um, yeah, this is his post. I want to, because he has official handles to many of these projects. There's this project, this one I've been seeing it, but I've not gotten on it. So I'll just click and see what they have there. Okay, right, see airdrop. So if I want to, this is, you see, this particular X handle has their Discord, it has their website, it has their ticker, and then it has also their website again. And then it's telling you that it was built on Ethereum. Then another thing you need to take note of is some of these fake accounts that you are going to be some of these fake accounts that you're going to be seeing on X, right? Just clear that you're going to be seeing on X. One of the things you should note is that the accounts most times are new. This account was opened like 3 years ago, and see the number of followers, number of following. Then if you scroll down a bit, you see the number of posts it has. Very, very important, right? Very, very important. The number of posts, so that you don't fall prey of falling into the hands of fake crypto projects, right? So you make sure that you are on the actual page of that crypto project. Then another thing is the accounts you should follow on X to be getting alphas. I'm going to give you some of them. I have some of them on my Telegram, yes. So I'm going to be showing you if you want to be getting updates, if you want your Twitter handle to be quickly populated with crypto only information, you can just I'll find a way to drop this. Okay. I'll I'll just paste it on my notepad, maybe in the description of this um particular video. I'll put up the X handles that you should follow. Of course, you can also follow me. I'll follow you back immediately. So, but I'll paste that. These are the X accounts you should follow. They always give updates. These are at least 10 accounts. Always give updates about crypto related stuff. You see, right? Mhm. So these are the X accounts you should follow. So with that said, another thing I need to let you know is that you can use your X account for crypto research. As a matter of fact, the primary use of X is for crypto research. Very, very important. For instance, if I want to look for the contract address, which is CA, abbreviated as CA, for every, remember I said we are expecting every airdrop very, very soon. What you should do is go to the official X account and then look for what? Look for their contract address. If you did not find it, I've already seen this one from this link tree I clicked earlier. You see their contract address. This guy. Okay, their contract address. Just in case if you want to import their contract address into your MetaMask or into any other wallet you're making use of. So by the time you click on the contract address, it will show you the contract address. By opening it here, I already know that every is on what? Is on Ethereum, but they are talking about moving over to Base. So this is their contract address. So I'll click on it. If I should use this now and go into my MetaMask, remember I opened this MetaMask for the sake of tutorial, and then I go under Base. Yeah, I think I go under Base network. I can actually import every token into the the MetaMask app. Okay, let's just wait for it. Okay, it's using my thumbprint. Just give it a little bit of time. Oh God, thank you. Right, it's taking its time. Okay. All right. So we already know that it's supposed to be on base, right? Yeah, it's supposed to be on base. If it doesn't work, then we'll go to the Discord and get the CA token address. But let's try and see. But I copied this from an Ethereum website. Oh god. I didn't copy it, so I'm going to select all and clear, then go back, and then try and copy. Let's just get it from Discord. Discord, right? Discord, then I will locate every Discord channel or server. The server is, why you misbehaving? Go over to the server, go over to their updates, go over to announcements. Go over to their announcements, and then see it's supposed to be on base. So I'll copy text. I'll go over to my notepad. By the way, a notepad helps with your crypto interactions. And this notepad, I've used this notepad for at least 10 years. At least 10 years. And I can prove it. Alright, so it's supposed to be on base. So this is base network. I'll put my thumbprint again. I'll put my thumbprint. Can you be fast? Alright, so I'll just put the contract address, right? And then you see the name of the symbol, the token symbol has appeared, the token decimal has also appeared, and then I'll click on import. So you can use Twitter for your what? You can use Twitter for your crypto interactions, for your crypto research, to get alphas, to know the website, the correct website to your crypto project, to get testnet update. For instance, there are some testnets I actually bookmarked. Okay, you can always use bookmark. I actually bookmark. I think I was doing Tabby. There was Prism today. Bookmark Prism. My friend posted something about Prism. Okay, this is 10 protocol. This is Samo. This is Hasbilla. This is actually very fun to do. The testnet that is very fun to do. Alright, so you can use this. So we're saying that you can use your X for your crypto interactions. You can follow accounts, do your research, right? Do your research, know the correct, get updates. Everything I've said so far, you can actually use your X for it. So if you don't want to fall prey, just make sure you are using your X account properly. Alright, so with that said, let's end this video. Thank you very much for watching through up to this time. See you in the next video. Our Telegram and yeah, Telegram.